In this video, we will show you how to make a healthy and fresh French onion soup with wild mushrooms. This is a warm and comforting twist on a classic recipe. The caramelized flavors of the sweet onions combined with the earthy depth of fresh wild mushrooms makes this a great dish for any occasion. The robust flavors will keep you coming back for more. For this video, we will be using homegrown and fresh red onions. We will use about 4 cups of sweet red onions. We'll be using fresh and wild, vibrant golden oyster mushrooms for this video. Do not eat any wild mushrooms unless they are clearly identified by a mushroom expert. Eating wild mushrooms can be very dangerous. We'll use about 1 cup of fresh mushrooms. It's important to collect your mushrooms while they are fresh. We'll also be using fresh herbs. Parsley and thyme will be preferred for this recipe. We'll now begin preparing our fresh onions by cleaning them and removing the stems. We'll cut the onions into small pieces. We'll now begin cleaning the foraged mushrooms. Large and chewy stalks can be removed. Avoid overwashing the mushrooms. This may cause them to be soggy in certain recipes. We'll finally chop our fresh garden herbs. We'll prepare a sauté pan with oil and a small amount of melted butter. We will add our fresh red onions and freshly foraged mushrooms to our sauté pan. Dry red wine or sherry will be preferred, but for this recipe we'll instead use 1/3 cup of rice wine vinegar and 1 cup of dry grape juice. We will let the mushrooms and onions simmer on medium heat until the onions have a caramelized color. We will next prepare our soup base by adding beef broth. We will then season our soup with finely minced garlic and spices. We will add our onion and mushroom mixture into the soup. We will simmer the soup and cook for 20 minutes. We will now prepare our French bread crostini. We'll cut the bread into slices. Cover the top of the bread with provolone cheese and add fresh parmesan to the top. Once the soup is cooked, we will add it to an oven-safe cooking bowl. We'll add a crostini to the top of the soup. We will add additional cheese as needed. We will place the bowl into the oven and cook for 5 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the cooked soup with care. Bon appétit!